Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The end of the month is quickly approaching and I like to do follow-ups on my subscriptions that I currently get, which are Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I'm going to go over my Boxycharm box, and it was the Adore box for February of 2020. When I first opened my box, it wasn't the most exciting box to me. However, my tune has changed. I did get brushes from Alamar, and I do have a video using these brushes. I really like them. I wasn't sure if I would or not. This is the bronzer. They're dirty, so sorry. But this is a bronzer brush, and I was like, I don't think so. But surprisingly, it is amazing. It just blends my bronzer in so very well. And then I've been using the brightening brush quite a bit for my highlighter. And then of course I've got the complexion brush, which I use for my blush. But I have really been enjoying these brushes. And when Boxy Pop-Up was open, I went ahead and they had the 3-piece eye brush set from Alamar. So I still have to try these out, but I really do like these. In my opinion, these brushes are very, very nice, and I would pay $36 for the trio. Another tool that I received in my Boxycharm for February was the Illuminati, and there is a video with that too. It might be both of them. I will link above in the cards, whichever side that they're on, because I can never remember, the video in which I tested out these brushes and the Illuminati. The Illuminati, I do not use any type of blending sponge very often. I typically just stick with my brushes. This one is $21, so it's $1 more than what a beauty blender would cost. And when I compared this to the beauty blender in that video, I really liked this one. So I have used it a couple of other times. I will probably make a purchase of this sponge in the near future. I do like it. I felt like it didn't absorb as much foundation as the beauty blenders typically do. So I was very pleasantly surprised with the Illuminati sponge. I did get a hair care item as well. Amika is a brand that I've used in the past, and I do like their products. And this one was the SuperNova. I've been using this a lot lately, and it's winter, and we're wearing, you know, the hats and scarves and coats. Unfortunately, this is supposed to help with frizz, and it has not been. And I've been using this after I shampoo. So thus far, it's not working the best for me. I will continue to use this. I would not purchase this with For February, I did pick my item, and I chose to get the iconic London Day to Slay palette. Now this has a retail price of $62. It has a very nice large mirror. And then this is what the palette looks like. I will link up in the cards the dedicated video I have with this palette. I love, love, love this palette so much. I loved the colors. I love the color payoff. They blended like a dream. I mean, it's just 4 of the colors, random ones. I mean, they're fantastic. I liked it so much that I bought the Sunset to Sunrise Iconic London palette, and I am in the process of doing looks with this one. And these are the colors. I did get this one from Morphe's website of all places, and it was on sale, so it was $45. And I really, really recommend these shadows. They were fabulous. But yes, this is by far my favorite product that I got in the Boxycharm. And then the last item that I have is the Evio Beauty, and these are the Evio Skin Aurora, and they're refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. There are 15 in this pack. It has a retail value of $10. I do want to just again read from the card with these products, because I like these are biodegradable multitasking Evio Skin and Aurora wipes. They're made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, to cleanse the skin, remove waterproof makeup. The antibacterial wipe, they're infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. It will reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. I think that these are just a little expensive. I understand why they could probably be that price. They're biodegradable, which is great. I show you right now. So I don't know if you can see. It's just like it's got bubbles, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Just a little strange to me. There. But I don't feel like it takes quite everything off. It does a decent job. However, it doesn't get all of my mascara off, which can be problematic. I don't use cleansing wipes quite as much anymore, just because of the environmental factor, and it's just as easy for me to get a washcloth and wash my face with my cleansers. I would not personally purchase these. I think that they're expensive. There are other brands out there. They may not be biodegradable, but they are more cost effective. I don't really use makeup wipes except to wipe off swatches that I do for videos. I did enjoy my Boxycharm February Adore box, and then this box did have a retail value of $154. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. You receive 5 full-size items, and they are guaranteed to be valued at $125 and over. This box was $154 retail value. And I will link down below the Boxycharm. I will put my referral link. Please do not feel obligated. I do get little points for anybody who signs up for it under me, and I'd appreciate it, but again, it's totally up to you. I'm not going to ever push any type of codes or referral links onto you. Whatever you're comfortable with, please do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, become a part of my beautiful and amazing YouTube family. Go ahead and leave any comments down below. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap it up. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy lives to click on this video. It truly means so very much to me. You guys are so amazing. I can't even stress that enough. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Much love.